Welcome back.
Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Update on the car. Yeah. When I accelerate, like. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. You're welcome to another video. If you're a new subscriber, please subscribe and all those nice people. So guys, I just got a new project car. I just got a new daily. So I won't call it new, but I just got a new daily. I don't want to go into the specifics of it because I would love to drive it around town, but it's not in it doesn't look good the body wise. I mean, there's a lot of cracks, and yeah. So what's going to happen is I'm taking the car to Strings Automotive for a full body respray, and then I'll get the car only on Friday. So now, as you can hear that buzzing noise, it woke up with a flat tire. So let's see. It woke up with a flat tire. So yeah, woke up with a flat tire. I'm gonna drive it to Strings Automotive, and after that, we'll do a breakdown of the car. These many things I want to do to it, like let's start for instance, the shoe of the car. Oh my goodness. So for now, yeah, I'm just gonna drive the car out of the yard, and yeah, let me show you the engine. The engine is like it looks so good, bro. So here's the engine bay. I mean, it is rusty because it's an old car, but everything is on point, man. Everything is on point. Yeah, I'm driving the car to Strings Automotive in Bloemfontein so they can do a full body respray for me. I'm gonna do the before and after because I know this video feels rushed. I didn't do a proper intro. The video feels rushed, but for now, let's drive the car out of the yard. And yeah. That could be the battery, not sure. There's only one way to find out. But I think the problem is the battery, so right now I'm gonna change the battery because I have a battery that was, remember that BMW E46 I talked about? This battery is new, relatively new. This one is old, I think. So let's change the battery and maybe the car will start up. And if it doesn't, so let's see. Let's see it all start. So I'm just gonna tighten the nuts on the battery, and I'm gonna take the car out. Water is coming out of the engine. You can see that little flat guys, we just arrived at Strings Automotive. Yeah, so I'm just happy for what's going to happen about this car and the project. Let's shoot the before and after. So I think I'm gonna get the car around Friday. So this is how the body looks. What's up, dog? So we also have this. I don't know about what's gonna happen on the floor, but yeah. What's up, YouTube? So today's Wednesday. Remember we took the VW Polo for full body respray. We dropped the car Monday. We're only getting it now on Wednesday. So yeah, let's go. We have arrived at Strings Automotive Repair, and I'm next to the car right now, and it looks good. Like, it looks great. The paintwork is immaculate, I won't lie. Yeah, I'm not gonna do all these revealing after. I'm just gonna show you the car. So yeah, just gonna show you the car. You can see yourself, but it looks good. See, it really does.
This Thabo, that is cheesy.
So yeah, we just got the car. It's super hot in here. It's dirty. Do I like the car paint? Yeah, definitely. I like the car paint. Yeah, I like the car, honestly, guys. I'm very happy. There are some touch-ups that need to be done, but because of how the paint job has been done, it was very cold. The weather in Bloemfontein was absolutely cold, so for it to dry up, yeah. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Update on the car. So we got the car. I did a lot of things on the car. I got an engine mount. I don't know why I didn't shoot that. I got an engine mount. I fixed the clutch. I got a new gear link because the gears were too hot. So in today's video, we brought the car to be tinted. I was contemplating tinting the car, but you know, why not? If I don't like, I can just take it off. So here's how the car looks now. Here's an update. So happy with that. You know what, I was contemplating the tint, but I'm so happy with it. It looks more aggressive. All we need now is a Mareka. Sponsor us so we can get new tires. So here's a preview of how the car looks.